Hey everyone, it is Chakra Tuesday today, and today's chakra is the throat chakra or Vishuddha. And the throat chakra is located obviously at the throat. And this is what it looks like. It's usually associated with the color blue. And also, the mantra that you can chant during meditation for the throat chakra is Hum. Hum. And a harmonious throat chakra means that you can express yourself really well, that you are honest in your expression, that you have a calm and patient way of speaking, that you feel safe and confident enough to express your opinion, to express how you feel. You are also most likely to speak from the heart, speak your truth, be patient when you are listening to others. You are a good listener. Compare this to a disharmonious or an imbalanced chakra where you might stutter or you might have a fear of speaking up or not feel confident enough to speak your opinion, to speak up for yourself, to share your truth. You might have a tendency to gossip or lie or maybe speak too much because you don't want the silence. You want there to be more conversation instead of being comfortable with maybe a lag in the conversation. You might have a timid or weak voice, or you might feel like your words or what you have to say isn't worth anything, or you don't feel worthy enough to share your opinion or to express yourself. Some good ways to get your throat chakra back into balance is, of course, chanting Hum, but also by learning how to communicate more effectively, maybe reciting poetry and having an audience as you recite it. Another way is by carrying blue crystals like blue lace agate or wearing blue clothing. You also could eat blue foods like blueberries or clear foods like broths. So now we will do a quick meditation on the throat chakra. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a couple of minutes and just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Sigh it out. Now draw your awareness, your attention to the throat chakra. And envision a beautiful blue light at the throat chakra, beginning to open up and become larger, expanding and growing. And just continue to breathe, allowing your breath to flow through the heart, through the throat chakra. Just continue with that breath. Continue visualizing the blue light becoming larger, more luminescent, more beautiful. Setting your intention to harmonize, to balance this chakra. Just allow that light to expand out as you continue to breathe, allowing the breath to flow through the chakra. And just allowing your body to relax, your mind and emotions to relax. Continuing to focus on the chakra, on your breath. Intending to harmonize the chakra. Just allowing the breath to flow. And know that you are safe and secure to express your opinion, to express your feelings. Know that you are confident and that your words are worthy. Your opinion is worthy of expression. Know that you can speak your truth in a safe manner. You can speak your truth from a loving place. Just continue to breathe, knowing that it is okay for you to open up the throat chakra. It is okay for you to express yourself. It is okay for you to find your authentic voice, to find your truth. Your opinion, your wants, your needs are very important. Just allow yourself to continue opening up that throat chakra and balancing it. Allowing that blue light to shine, for that light to grow, the breath to flow through the throat chakra. Now you can stay here as long as you like, basking in the beautiful light of the throat chakra. And you can come back here anytime. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste.